Hey guys, it's Yvette, and guess what? I'm going to attempt to complete Vlogmas this year. I know you guys are all like, I'll see it whenever it really happens. And fair enough. I know I haven't really been posting a whole lot of stuff, but I actually have like just the tiniest little bit of content that I can post up. And that's in the form of these advent calendars that I have. And advent calendar is a very loose term in this instance because I got the advent calendars that are for the entire month. So there are 31 pieces. This being the first one. This is day one of Vlogmas, and I have two different advent calendars. The first one is from Cotton Cuts, and the second one is from Stitch Supply Company. So I had another one that I had signed up for. If you guys have been watching all of my videos, you'll know that I have the cross-stitching one that I got, and that's from Stitchy Box, and I just haven't received that one yet, so I can't start on it. So probably once I do receive it, I think that one is for 31 days as well. Then I'll just do like a quick catch up, and then we'll open 3 boxes going forward. Or not boxes, but you know, you just open one little door each time. Or in the case of Cotton Cuts, they've sent a box and the whole thing is, I'm going to show it to you, but the whole thing is stacked with like, starting with number 1 in the front, and you have number 1, and then you pull number 2, number 3, number 4, and they're all like in order. It's really kind of cute. So let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do for Vlogmas is probably just open up these advent calendars, see what's inside, maybe have a little chit chat, and that's about it. So I'm not planning on having super long videos or anything like that. So let's get going. I'm going to do Cotton Cuts first because it's right in the front, and this box came in a bigger mailing box, and that way it got to stay all cute and everything. And I have already undone the tapes, and I did look inside, but everything's wrapped, so I didn't see anything. With this one in particular from Cotton Cuts, you get a fat quarter each day. So the surprise is, which fat quarter did I get? So let's get this one open first, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. And I was trying to find like other quilty advent calendars that I could get, and I tried 2 times to get the one by Crimson Tate, and I missed out both times. They sold out so quickly, so unfortunately I don't have that one, but I really wanted it. So here's what it looks like inside of the Cotton Cuts. And we did receive, and they had, by the way, 2 different kinds that you could get. You could either get fabric or notions, or you could order both. And for me, personally, I just got the fabric. It's the one that I was the most interested in. And so there you go. And we have a whole bunch of patterns here, and I'm thinking, I'll wait maybe like till Christmas Day and open this. So it'll be like a little bit extra. So let me kind of move this back to where I see 25. Okay. I'm gonna just put it back there because I think that's more appropriate. So I'm going to take out bag number 1, and let's check it out. This is fun. Listen, I'm thinking this is like super exciting to me. Okay. Every day is an adventure, so enjoy the journey. I like that they did that. They could have done like anything. Okay, so here is the fat quarter for today. That's actually kind of cute. I actually kind of like that. It's not like a huge in-your-face flower or anything like that. It's the cute little flowery kind that I really like. So I'm excited for this one, actually. And it's pink. So you can't go wrong with that. Okay, so that's day 1 from Cotton Cuts. We've got that one open. Now, I'm just going to kind of move it to the side, and I'm going to show you, this is the box that I have received from Stitch Supply Company. And And there's the side of the box. This one also came in a packing box to protect it, so that everything could stay intact. And I think that, yeah, like day 3, I kind of got it, I like poked it or whatever. I haven't looked inside, but I just want to let you know that, you know, it's not too hard to open these because, and then this one here only has 24 days. I thought it had 30, I thought it had 31, but that's okay. That's okay. No biggie. So we'll go through 24 on this one, and then we'll be done with this one. So let's see what's in number 1. And this box could have like anything inside, right? All right, so let's go. Opening up number 1. I open it up and it looks like that. It's got a little envelope and some red squiggly paper. Don't want to knock over my my Starbucks. So this says Kylie and the Machine. And let's see what that says, or what's in there. I'm excited. This is so cute. I've actually, have I ever done these? I've done like the, you know, the Jimmy's favorites and stuff like that. Okay, I have to just rip it, obviously. I didn't want to, but I have to. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's a whole bunch of little labels, little sew-on labels, and it says how to sew in labels. Center folded labels are best for sewing the raw edges into a seam. End folded labels can be sewn onto your garment at both ends. You can use a straight stitch or zigzag. Okay, so we have this is one that is a top, the center folded, right? Yeah, this is a center folded. It says, yes, I made it. That's cute. This one is on the sides. What do they call this? End folded labels. It says, sewing is my jam. And this is a center folded as well. It says, you are loved. And this is a center one as well. It says, ta-da! And finally, another end folded one says, oh, I like this. Oh. Okay, you guys. I know that y'all are going to find this hard to believe, but this is totally me. Made with love and swear words. Oh gosh. But the and swear words is like, it's in color and it's really tiny print. Okay, that's my favorite one. Okay, so those are my 2 advent calendars for Vlogmas. And let's see, is there anything else that I could update you on? I can tell you about a couple things that are either open for enrollment or gonna be open for enrollment soon. And that is, I know I had a video on TILDA and Liberty Fabric, and I said that the Liberty Fabric was gonna be open November 30th. Well, I was wrong about that. It is TILDA Club that is open on November 30th. So if you are interested in TILDA, you definitely want to head on over there and get signed up. I'm going to put the link down below in the description box and also pinned in that first comment so that you can quickly get what you need. And the other thing is that Cotton Cuts is going to be opening their spring 2021 puzzle mystery quilt, and this one is called Sparkle and Shine. It's going to open for enrollment on Friday, December 4th. That's this coming Friday. And if you use the code Yvette Sparkle and Shine, you want to spell out and, you will get a free gift with your first fabric delivery. So that will be in February. So you will get that free gift in February. I just want to remind you of that because I know a lot of people think they're going to get it right away. You will get it, but it will be with the first delivery. Gosh, what else is going on? I don't think there's really a whole bunch going on except, you know, just Vlogmas, hanging out. lots of sewing, and I'm finishing up a swap right now, so I will do a video on that as soon as we have our gifts exchanged. My partner and I are running a little bit late, but we kind of like mutually did that. So as soon as we have that done, I will send the video. And you guys, I'm so excited. I'm going to try really hard to get this done. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.